Okay, I went to this link and I'm downloading my Windows X64. And you might have to have an Oracle account, but they're free, so you can get signed in. Now I'll go ahead and pause this until this gets done downloading. Okay, it's finished downloading, so I'll take this link and right click on it. And looks like I don't have my um, standard software for Windows here. I got pzip, but you want to extract it. So extract it, new folder. And maybe I'll pause this again while it's. Oh, there it goes. Now, once you do that, then you click the setup. Probably clicking MSI would work too. File. Now I'm just gonna looks like I already got 21C installed on here. So I'll go ahead and click remove. Now pause this because this might take a while. Okay, I got it removed, so I'm gonna click finish. Now you shouldn't have to do that, but I wanted to show it from scratch, so I'm gonna go ahead and run that, and I'll pause it at appropriate places because it takes a while to install. Okay, accept the terms. We're pretty well going to take the default. That's fine, I guess. Now for the database password, I'm going to put in Happy Days. Make sure I'm typing that correct. You can put whatever password, but you better remember it. You click next. I click install. And I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Okay, it is finished, so I'll click finish here. And that's getting that original software loaded.